Building a website for your mechanic service shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySite platform to build a simple and affordable website for your mechanic service. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you actually haven't heard of MartySites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, mechanic. There it is over there. You also have the options to select the general service business template. Right, let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MartySites will generate a simple website for your business literally instantly and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you around and show you how easy it is to make changes to your brand new website. The great thing about the MartySites platform, which makes us a little bit different, is we've pre-written all the content specific to a mechanic and pre-selected all the images as well specific to that market too. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your business. It doesn't matter which market you select out of the hundreds, it will literally have pre-written content and pre-selected images. Of course, it's all customizable. You can personalize it to your business and make any changes. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. I'm going to click on the first section at the top over here, pop in my email address for my business. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so let's go ahead and check that box. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Over here is where you can put in the social media platforms, the links that you're active on. It will display social media icons at the top as well as at the bottom once you've done that. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo, like cropping it, rotating it by clicking on that pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your new website, just click on that paints icon. There are so many colors to choose from. For each section you'd like to change it up a bit, maybe make it a bit more personalized, change that content, all you need to do is click on that handy button. You have the option to upload your own images over here or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account if you have a profile. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file if you wish to. In the last section at the bottom is where we have a lead generation form. This is where your customers can easily reach out to you. Now, if you've already purchased a custom domain for your business, that was a very smart move, because having a custom domain for your business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. Go ahead and click on that button at the bottom. You can connect your custom domain that you've purchased already. MartySites makes use of Entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. It literally does it for you. However, if you don't have a custom domain yet, you really want one, go ahead and click on I want a new domain. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the MartySites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your business on the MartySites platform. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.